Now your app and business will be run by AI. Now you'll earn money even while sleeping. Hello, every first of the month when you release your staff's salary, there's a pain in your heart, right? I am saying it correctly, aren't I? Because only half the work has been done. And you have to put up with double the tantrums. The targets are not met, but all the leaves are taken. You are not a boss. You end up becoming a slave to your own staff. But friends, the smart businessmen of the world have freed themselves from this slavery. First, listen to this bitter truth. No more complaints about tantrum throwing staff, and there will be a remedy for all those leave excuses. Now, your app and business will be run by AI, and even while you sleep, money will keep coming into your bank account. Today, I will expose how you can integrate AI into your running business or your existing mobile app to increase your profit margin by 10 times and make your dependency on humans zero forever. All this in the next few minutes. I will share data from 5 real businesses and 2 apps. Keep your mind open. It'll be more enjoyable as we go along with real examples. What is possible, what is not, what are the possibilities, and what you should actually do. All this will become clear only through real examples. So let's get straight to the data and mathematics of AI in your business. Understand how money will be made. Let's take the example of the real estate business. What happens in real estate? Suppose you have a real estate business and you have 5 telecallers. Every month you are paying them a total salary of 1 lakh rupees. That is 20,000 rupees per person. They get tired after making 200 calls a day. Obviously, if one person makes 200 calls in a day, they will get exhausted. But if you integrate AI into your business, AI integration means that we will do the complete AI integration for you in your CRM, and we will build that entire panel for you. What can AI do? The data you have from Google Shape, say there are 10,000 numbers, AI will call all 10,000 people at once. The total expense will be just 15,000 rupees per month. Your bill, server charges and whatever tokens are used, you will directly save a profit of 85,000 rupees every month. Hello? How did 85,000 come about? You were paying a salary of 1 lakh rupees, but now it's just 15,000 for you. AI alone took 85,000, so whatever's left is your direct profit. And AI managed to get 3 times more site visits than humans. It fixed more meetings for your site because your staff would call 10,000 people, which would take them a month. But this AI, or if you just set up typing, it called 10,000 people in just 1 day or at most 5 days. Now let's listen to another real example. Suppose it's about e-commerce and D2C brands. Let's say you have an e-commerce business or someone is running an e-commerce venture. They have a website for shopping. So do you know who's the biggest enemy in the e-commerce business? Who is the real enemy for these people? It's RTO, that is return to origin. When a customer places an order but later cancels it, that's when the e-commerce folks feel really bad. They have hired a staff member whose job is to call each customer and confirm the order. Hello sir, you have placed an order. Yes, please press 1 to confirm, then confirm it. Yes. They've kept a person just to confirm orders. But what will AI integration do? It will make the call as well, whether it's a Shopify website or any other e-commerce app you have. So as soon as an order comes in, it will immediately call. And if the customer says no, if the customer simply says no or presses 1, 2, 3 or directly says, no, I didn't place the order, it happened by mistake, then if your business is in e-commerce, the lakhs you would have lost on courier charges are saved. An AI bot has saved you lakhs in losses. Take example number 3. If you have a gym or fitness center or you are running any such business, what will it do? Gym? How does a gym or fitness center make money? Here, money is made through renewals. When a customer comes just once, you don't make money. It's when the customer keeps coming back again and again, that's when you earn. There's money to be made in this business, but your manager even forgets to call the members. Suppose your business is like this and the manager keeps forgetting to call those whose renewals are due or whose subscriptions have expired. Now if you integrate this into your business, what will AI do? AI will read WhatsApp, call them, follow up and ask just like a human. Yes brother, our fitness center for example, here your subscription has expired. You should get it renewed, and on renewal we are giving you a 10 to 20% discount. We will give you this much off on your renewal. Do you know what will happen because of this? By implementing AI, your business will directly increase by 40% without any manpower, without any hassle. In fact, you will end up paying less than what you would have paid as salary. That is straight profit for you. Example number 4. Suppose you have a travel agency. A customer wants to go to Goa from you, asks for a package. Your staff takes 2 whole days just to prepare his itinerary. By then, the customer receives more ads, the customer books somewhere else and is gone. You lose out because humans often make such errors, going on leave, delivering work late. In such cases, leads quickly get converted elsewhere to our competitors. How does it help? If a customer asks after hours, this AI talks to them, confirms details, and makes the plan instantly. It suggests where to visit, shares your bank details, collects payment, and sends you a WhatsApp screenshot. Done! I've booked it. For you, is this being deducted? AI will do all these tasks in just 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 50 seconds, or within 1 minute. Something a person cannot do. The speed of AI is just something else. Now, let's talk about example number 5. Suppose you have a clinic or a hospital. Where does a doctor face the biggest loss? No shows. That is, the patient takes an appointment but doesn't turn up. When you implement AI, the AI voice caller will call every patient 2 hours before their appointment. If the patient is not there or is not coming, then AI will cancel the booking and immediately give that slot to a patient from the waiting list. The doctor's 1 hour doesn't get wasted, and the new patients who should have come, now the doctor's business increases there as well. In clinic and appointment booking businesses, it can increase business 5 times when you implement AI. Obviously, since you watch my videos, you are more interested in getting apps made. So let me give you 2 live examples, specifically of apps. If you integrate AI into your apps, then how can the business of your application from where you were earning profit grow further? By adding AI to your app, how can you become rich? You will understand this through these 2 examples. Example number 1. Suppose you have made an astrology app. On your app, there are 50 pundits, that is, astrologers who are live. But at 2 o'clock in the night, everyone goes to sleep. And at night, people are usually at their lowest, feeling the most depressed. If you have integrated AI into your app, we'll set it up for you in such a way that it suits your business. So in that same astrology business, even if a customer has queries at night, the AI will reply to them, do tarot readings, and will be available 24/7 all 7 days of the week. This is AI, and its limit does not end here. Earlier, you only had those 50 pundits, but this one AI is equal to 5 lakh pundits. While a pundit can talk to only one customer at a time, this AI can have discussions with thousands of customers at the same time. This is what happens. This is the power of AI. Now let's try to understand with another example. Suppose you have an online business. You have created a course selling app and your student buys a course, but the child gets a doubt at night, say at 2:03 a.m. So what will you do? You can't have a teacher who works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There is always a time limit. Either you will have to run 3 shifts, which will increase your expenses. We will provide you with an AI bot. Even if your students have a doubt at 2 o'clock in the night, this bot will sort it out for them right then and there. For this, you can even charge the students an extra 400 rupees or 500 rupees as a night problem solving fee. But when students are studying and they get their doubts resolved immediately, they'll feel more attached to you, refer you more, and bring more students to your app. This benefit is only possible through AI. Humans cannot do this. We will implement all these things for you, friends, so listen carefully. Growing your business does not mean hiring new people. Growing your business means putting systems and technology to work. The work that a person does for 20,000 rupees, makes mistakes and takes leaves, the same work AI does for just 2,000 rupees, that too with 100% accuracy. This one won't even take any leave. But now the question is, who will integrate this powerful AI into your running business? That cheap freelancer whom you're about to search for after watching this video? Absolutely not. This is where my expert team and my experience come into play. First of all, we don't just make empty promises. We build systems and we've already built them. We'll audit your current business, we'll see where your maximum time and money are being wasted, and then we'll plug in a custom AI bot there, either through an agentic caller or however you need it. We'll integrate it into your CRM, whatever you require. Whether you want to put AI in your app or replace your office telecaller, we will automate your entire ecosystem. Stop putting up with your staff's tantrums. Friends, become the real boss of your business. The contact number is given below in the description. Just give a call and tell us that you only need this flow. When a lead comes on WhatsApp or from Facebook or from anywhere, whether it comes into a sheet or into the CRM. You just want that at that time, a real AI human should convince them right in front of me. We will make this for you. Yes, the number is given below, isn't it? Why are you still thinking? Just call, tell us about your business, and we will do the AI automation for you. If you want to talk to me about where you are stuck in automating your business or where you are spending too much money, then for that, go to the link given below, scratch2success.com, where I give live consultations through Google Meet. I explain everything, audit everything, and do a complete analysis. You can book your consultation for that. The link is given below. Yes, you will definitely like this video. I'm sure of it. Do make this video live. If you want more videos like this, do leave a comment. Alright friends, see you in the next studio.